Leopards are large, carnivorous cats that belong to the genus Panthera. They are known for their distinctive golden yellow coat covered with dark spots and rosettes, which gives them great camouflage in their natural habitat. They have a wide distribution throughout much of Africa and Asia, and are found in a variety of habitats including forests, grasslands, and deserts. Leopards are powerful and agile animals that are able to climb trees, swim and run at high speeds. They are solitary hunters and ambush their prey with stealth and speed. Their diet consists of a wide variety of animals, including deer, pigs, monkeys, and even crocodiles and buffaloes. They will also scavenge when necessary. Leopards are solitary animals and are active mostly at night. They have a broad range of vocalizations, including growls, roars, and purrs. They mark their territory with urine and by scratching trees. Leopards have a low reproductive rate. Females give birth to litters of 1 to 6 cubs after a gestation period of around 90 to 105 days. The cubs are born blind and rely on their mother for protection and food for the first few months. Leopards are considered as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, with populations in decline due to habitat loss, poaching, human-wildlife conflicts and other human activities. Conservation efforts such as protected areas, anti-poaching campaigns, and public education are being implemented to protect and conserve leopard populations. Hippopotamuses, also known as hippos, are large, semi-aquatic mammals that belong to the family Hippopotamidae. They are native to sub-Saharan Africa and are known for their massive size and aggressive behavior. They have a barrel-shaped body with short, stumpy legs and a large head with sharp teeth and jaws. Hippos are primarily aquatic animals and spend most of their day in rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water. They are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes while submerged. They are also very fast on land, despite their large size, and can run at speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour. Hippos are herbivores, and their diet primarily consists of grasses and aquatic plants. They are known to be territorial and aggressive animals and will fiercely defend their territory and young from perceived threats, including humans. They are also known to be one of the most dangerous animals in Africa, responsible for many human deaths each year. Hippos are social animals and live in groups called schools or bloats. They are active mostly at night and spend the day submerged in water to keep cool and avoid the sun. They are not known for vocalizing as much as other animals, but they do make a variety of grunts, bellows, and other sounds. Hippos are considered as vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The population of hippos has declined due to habitat loss, hunting for their meat and ivory tusks, and human-wildlife conflicts. Conservation efforts such as protected areas, anti-poaching campaigns, and public education are being implemented to protect and conserve hippo populations. Killer whales, also known as orcas, are large marine mammals that belong to the dolphin family. They are known for their distinctive black and white coloration, as well as their intelligence and complex social behaviors. They are found in oceans all over the world, but are most commonly found in the colder waters of the Arctic and Antarctic. Killer whales are apex predators and are at the top of their marine food chain. They prey on a wide variety of animals including fish, squid, seals, sea lions, walrus and even larger whales. They are known for their cooperative hunting strategies and use different vocalizations and tactics to coordinate their hunting efforts. Killer whales are highly social animals and live in complex and stable matrilineal family groups called pods. Each pod has its own distinct dialect of vocalizations and cultures. Pods are led by mature females, called matriarchs, who can live up to 100 years. Killer whales have a diverse range of vocalizations and use different calls for different situations like hunting, communication, and social bonding. They also use echolocation to navigate and locate prey. Killer whales are not considered as endangered, but some populations are threatened, particularly those that live in more urbanized areas. Pollution, boat traffic, and overfishing can all impact their populations. The hunting of killer whales for their meat and captures for marine park exhibitions have also affected their population. To protect them, some countries have laws and regulations that govern the hunting of killer whales, and the capture of wild individuals for captivity. Peacocks are large, colorful birds that belong to the pheasant family. They are known for their striking plumage, specifically the long, colorful feathers on their tail, called a train. These birds are native to Asia, specifically India and Sri Lanka, but have been introduced to other parts of the world as well. Peacocks are ground-dwelling birds, and they are known for their elaborate courtship displays. During breeding season, males will fan out their train of feathers to attract females. Peacocks are able to change the color of their feathers depending on the angle of the light and their mood. Peacocks are omnivores and feed on a wide variety of plants and small animals. Their diet includes seeds, fruits, insects, small reptiles, and small mammals. They are also known to be opportunistic feeders and will eat whatever food is available to them. Peacocks are not known to be vocal birds, they mostly make a loud call, and they also make other sounds like hissing and clucking. They are also known for their distinctive calls, which are very loud and can be heard from a long distance. Peacocks are not considered endangered species, but their population has decreased in some areas due to habitat loss, hunting, and other human activities. In some countries, peacocks are considered as a sacred bird, and they are protected by law. Conservation efforts such as habitat protection, breeding programs, and public education are being implemented to protect and conserve peacock populations. Ducks are a type of waterfowl that belongs to the family Anatidae. They are found in many parts of the world and are known for their webbed feet, broad bills, and waterproof plumage. Ducks are also known for their distinctive quacking sound, which is most commonly associated with the common mallard. Ducks are adaptable birds and can be found in a variety of habitats, including freshwater and saltwater, marshes, swamps, rivers, and lakes. They are also known to live in urban areas such as parks and gardens. Ducks are omnivores and feed on a wide variety of food, including aquatic plants, seeds, insects, and small aquatic animals. Ducks have a unique adaptation called the preen gland that produces oil that they use to keep their feathers waterproof. This allows them to float on water and stay dry while swimming. They are also strong swimmers and can fly at high speeds. Ducks are social animals, and they form large flocks during migration and on their wintering grounds. They are also known for their complex social behaviors, such as pair bonding and hierarchical social structures. Ducks are not considered as endangered overall, but some species have seen population declines due to habitat loss, hunting, and pollution. Conservation efforts such as protected areas, habitat restoration, and hunting regulations are being implemented to protect and conserve duck populations. Some species like the harlequin duck, Steller's eider, and the spectacled eider are considered as threatened by the Yukon.